Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to make the Lego Friends horse and pet vet clinic. So this is one of the January sets and I still haven't reviewed it yet. So when I saw the online photos, I didn't really think that it looked so nice, but it actually looks very nice. It's rather small, but it's actually very cute. So the stickers are so colorful and there's just one guidebook and we also have some land and stuff like that. So this is Autumn and I love her vest, isn't it so cute? But I already have that vest, so it's not so very special. So anyway, this is Autumn's hair and it has like this riding helmet. But mostly if there's a set that has like a riding helmet, they give you the normal Autumn's hair. But this set, unfortunately, we just have Autumn with the riding hat. So anyway, this is Ollie. I already have those clothes as well. And this is Eniko, I think Eniko, right? So she's the vet and she has like port wine stains. Yeah, and it's very nice that Lego is making lots of various dolls because people like me who has bought Lego sets can get to know like all these stuffs. Like I didn't know about the port wine stain if I didn't buy this set, and I didn't know that if you wear like those like sunflower necklace, it means that they have like disabilities that we cannot see. So I'm very happy that Lego is making lots of like mini dolls like this, and the dogs are just so cute too. And we also have a horse over here and his name is Thunder. So I guess when he gallops, he makes a lot of noise because it's like thunder sound. So this is Thunder, and now let's start making the pet vet clinic. So this is a big sofa for the dogs, and the dogs are so cute, and I forgot to tell you their names. It's Gooba, Pearly, and Alma. My favorite is definitely Alma, the beige color one, like covering her eyes. That's just so adorable, isn't it? They're just so cute. It's one of the reasons why I love this set. The colors are so beautiful too, and I just love the little puppies. They're just so cute. So this is the door with a little like the puppy door, like the for the pets. That's so cute, you know. This is just so adorable. So we have a carpet here, but it's not a carpet. It's like sand, and we have so many different footprints. That's just so adorable. I love it so much. So this set is actually rather small. It's much more smaller than I thought. So when it's finished, it's as big as my hand. I think like as high as my hand. So it's, you can probably imagine it's very small because my hand is not that big. So we have windows here, like blue windows. Cute, that's cute. I think this is my first like animal hospital, like the clinic, right? Because I think I didn't have any animal clinics before. I had like animal hotels, animal like accessory shops, but I think I never had like pet clinics before. I did have like animal like marine animals hospital when I was much younger. I think I was like 8 or 9-year-old or something like that. I once bought that. But this one, like, I mean, the starting from like when I started making YouTube videos, I think this is one of my first animal hospitals. So anyway, we also have stairs. So the first floor is the animal hospital, the clinic. And the second floor is going to be Aniko's like room, like house. Yeah, kind of like that. So she's working here and she's also sleeping here. So wait, this kind of got stuck. So wait. Oh no, there you go. Now it's good. So, you know, there are lots of people who's like working in the first floor and staying in the second floor. You know, I forgot her name. Elsa, right? In the music apartment shop. Yeah, she also worked in the first floor selling instruments, and she was living in the second floor. I also remember that. So we have lots of like doctor and like, you know, like hospital years and stuff like that. And this is where you can measure the weight of the animals. And we also have a food bowl over here. Everything's so clean and neat. So there's like a list of like horse, cats, and dogs. And this one, I think, I'm not so sure what this is exactly, but this is some like machine to, you know, I think maybe it's an x-ray, but it doesn't really look like an x-ray, but I think it's something to do with animals. But I'm not a vet, so I don't really know about this kind of stuff. And we also have a place where they're selling like food, pet food. And so we also have a little sticker over here showing that it's like dog food. Very cute, right? So the inside is almost finished. So the inside of the vet is also finished. But you can see, as you can see, the right part is all empty. That's gonna be the horse stable. So can you imagine, we also have a horse stable over here. So we have an x-ray photo of a horse leg. And if you see the box, this set box, it looks like Thunder has broken his leg. But if you ask me, the x-ray photo, it doesn't look broken at all. But I guess somewhere, something is broken, but I'm not so sure because I'm not an expert about x-rays. But yeah, it doesn't look broken to me, but I think it's supposed to be broken because in the box, Thunder is like whimpering and it looks as if he's broken his leg. So I guess he ran too much, like thunder sound. And unfortunately, he broke his leg sadly. So let's start building this horse stable. So we also have like lights in front of the main door. It looks so cute, right? So we have lots of bricks around here. This is a really cozy place for the horse. I think this is even bigger than like the Autumn's horse stable set. I mean, the horses, they just have, each one has like small places, but this one, Thunder, has got a big space. So I think Thunder is very lucky, isn't he? I actually kind of wanted to try horseback riding, but I'm actually kind of scared about horses, you know? They're so tall, so that's why it's kind of scary. So we have this stable door, and you know, this place is just so cozy, isn't it? And he also did like number 2, so we also have some manure fork and stuff like that. So he also has his own, very own brush. That's so cute. And this one, what is this one? Yeah, so this one is the second floor. Are you excited? Because I'm so excited. Like, so awesome. I love it so much. The second floor is also very cute. So it's the bedroom and the bathroom. So the bathrooms, like the sink, no, the faucet is so big. That's because I think that's where Anika washes the dogs, like Pearly and Alma, the puppies. That's so cute. So as you can see, the faucet is almost as big as a bathtub, and we also have a very low like toilet, and right next to it we have a bed. Yeah, over here, very cozy bed, and the bed is like cats. So I guess Eniko actually likes cats more than dogs. But then come to think about it, her carpet is dogs. So I think she likes cats and dogs like equally. This is so nice and cozy. I like it as just like Elsa's room. I like it the same. Elsa's room is also very nice too because her bed is kind of like a bunk bed. You have to go up the stairs. But this one is so nice too. We have a sticker over here, like shelves with like her sunblock and stuff like that. So this is Eniko's room, and I really like this photo, like flamingo and like birds. Yeah, parrot, I think. So a little flower vase over here too. Very cute, right? So this, it kind of feels like an attic. So this is a very nice cozy building and I love it so much. So this build is almost finished. We have to make the roof, but I just don't really want this build to end because it's just so fun making it, and the flowers match the building so nicely, the yellow and the coral color flower. And here, this place is also very interesting. There's also like a little roof shapes over here too, and it's a little house for a red bird, and that's so cute. Now I have so many birds now, like red birds and blue birds, and do I have yellow birds? Not so sure, but I think I do. Yeah, and I also have like bird statues, like a little concrete birds, like not actual birds, just like concrete shaped birds in the greenhouse. No, the botanical garden set in on top of the water, like like the fountain. Yeah, that was very cute. So we have a red flower, red bird, and now we're going to make the roof. So the main color from this set is like orange and blue, and orange and blue, they are very nice together. It looks very nice because they're very bright colors. And so now we've made the two roofs, but wait, I think I made it the opposite way. Yeah, there you go. Now it looks nice. So let me put the sticker. So it's a heart shape. The poster sticker is like heart shape, and there's dog, horse, and cat. And this one is also very nice. I remember this one from the photo online when I first reviewed the new January sets. I can't believe that's almost almost a year ago now, because yeah, I think that was January. So we have an open sign and we finished building it, and now let's start playing with this set. I'm just so excited. It's just so cute and I love it so much. And the open sign, the rabbit is holding a carrot, and there's this open written on the carrot. That's very cute. So Aniko, she just woke up and now she's getting ready to work. Oh, you guys are so adorable. Are you ready for your checkup? I guess you are. So let me remove the second floor so that the light would come in more. So who'll try first? So let's take this machine out so that it'll be easier for us to place. So first we're going to go with Alma. Oh, now you're very healthy, Alma. That's very good news. I'm so happy for you, Alma. So next, Pearly. Oh, I guess you have a little bit of fever. You need to get a shot later on, but you don't have to get worried, Pearly. It's not going to hurt. So first, Gooba. So I'm not so sure if Gooba is their mother or father, but anyway, Gooba is very healthy too. And oh, Autumn, you're just in time. Thank you for coming to help me out. My pleasure. I love working with animals. Oh, you guys are just so adorable. Right, so we need to give a shot to Pearly, and Gooba and Alma, they're healthy, thankfully. Oh yeah, that's good news. You don't have to be worried, Pearly. It won't hurt a bit. I'll give him the shot while you distract him. That's a good idea. So, Pearly, aren't you hungry? We have a delicious food bowl for you. Yeah, food bowl. Ow! Oh, sorry, Pearly. Now the food bowl is yours. It didn't really hurt. Did it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it didn't really hurt. It'll be nice if we can actually talk to them, right? Yeah, that would be much easier. Yeah, I think so. So, Eniko, can I go horseback riding? That's a good idea. I'll work with the dogs and you can check out Thunder. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I love horseback riding. Thunder, are you ready for a little gallop? Thunder, why aren't you walking? Are you kind of sick? What is wrong? Eniko, I think there's something wrong with Thunder. What's wrong with Thunder? I mean, he seems very, kind of like this. Oh, he seems very hurt. So I think we should do a little bit of checkup. Yeah, I think so too, but he can't really walk. Maybe he broke his leg or something like that. That's so horrible. Let me check it out with this X-ray thing. So, wait. Let me check. There you go. So, yeah, Thunder's leg is broken. That's so bad. What are we gonna do, Eniko? So it says that when a horse's leg is broken, it is much more complicated than for humans because they are much heavier. So anyway, but I'm sure it's going to take much long time. But let's just say that Eniko gave Thunder a shot and now he feels much better, thankfully. Yeah. Which is probably not going to happen in reality, but this is not the reality. We're just playing. So now Thunder is eating some hay, and Eniko is going to brush him a little bit. So now he feels much better and he's very happy. Horses are very happy and they really like it when you brush them, right? So yeah, so Eniko is going to brush him like this. So now there's a knock on the door and we have a customer, which is Ollie, and he's here with Gertrude. It's his cat. Oh, hello, Gertrude. Long time no see. So what brings you here? We're here for a little checkup and we're going to buy some cat food. Oh, I see. So let me give her a little checkup first. So I'll give her a checkup with this machine. So this machine is very nice. It works very nicely with all sort of animals. So let's see if Gertrude is healthy. So go on, Gertrude. Let's see. So yeah, Gertrude is very healthy. Oh, that's very good news. Yeah, right. So what sort of cat food would you like? What do you recommend? This one is very nice. Oh, that's good. Then we'll have that one. Okay. But you know, health checkups are very important and you have to do it regularly. So here's your cat food and see you next month, Gertrude. Bye bye, Nico. And Nico. Yeah. See you next month. Yeah. I've cleaned the manures. Oh, thank you, Autumn. Oh, hi, Autumn. Hi, Ollie. Hi, Gertrude. What brings you here? I'm helping Aniko out with her vet work. Oh, I see. Yeah, you love animals, right, Autumn? Yeah, I do. See you at school tomorrow, Ollie. Yeah, bye, Autumn. Bye, Ollie. And so, Autumn, it's kind of late now, and I think we should be on our way now. Yeah, I think so too. Thank you so much for helping me out. Yeah, see you tomorrow. I'll come again tomorrow. Thanks, Autumn. Bye. So, now it's time for you dogs to go to sleep. So, with this cozy bed underneath the stairs. Isn't it just adorable? See you guys tomorrow. Ah, it's so relaxing in here. Oh, now it's time for me to sleep. Oh, Alma, what brings you here? Do you want a bubble bath? Okie dokie, I'll give you a bubble bath before I go to sleep. Ah, Alma, you're just so cute. A bubble bath before going to sleep is very nice. I wish I could have a bubble bath myself. So there you go, very nice. Now time for you to go back to sleep, Alma. And now time for me to go to sleep too. I'm just so excited. I mean, not excited, exhausted. Excited, exhausted. Now time for me to go to sleep. So, it's tomorrow morning. Hello, Thunder. Are you feeling better now? That's very good. So, this is not going to happen in reality, but this is not the reality. So, now Thunder is 100% better. And now he wants to gallop a little bit. So, now they're going to go for a little ride with Thunder. Oh, hello, Aniko. Yeah, hello, Autumn. Good morning. It's good to see you back to normal, Thunder. Oh, they're just so cute. Oh my goodness, they're just so cute. So now it's morning and Alma wants a bubble bath again. So Alma and Pearly, now they're getting a bubble bath from Aniko and Autumn. So I should pronounce like Aniko, but I keep saying like Aniko, so sorry for that. It should be Aniko, so sorry. It's like, it was a little bit confusing, the pronunciation, but it's Aniko. So we have so many photos and it's just so cute, isn't it? This set is so adorable, and the best part about this set is that I just love the dogs. The dogs are so cute and there are so many things to do, you know. I think you're going to especially love it if you love like playing like hospitals, you know. That's very fun. And so this is the end of the video, and I'm going to review many Lego sets, and please subscribe to see all the upcoming videos. So this is the end of the video, and see you next time. So bye bye, see you next time. I'm going to build lots of more Lego sets too. So bye bye.